So you want to go keto and you don't have a gallbladder. I'm going to give you the exact steps to get all the benefits of ketosis even without a gallbladder. What's up guys, Ben Azadi here, best-selling author. Now this is how it works. We have our liver. This is where we store our sugar. Let's call it our sugar reserves. Your liver produces bile. Bile is super important. It helps break down all the healthy fat you're going to eat on the keto diet. Now, your gallbladder has been removed for whatever reason. It's actually one of the most common procedures done in the US. The gallbladder is a storage house for your bile. So in the case for you, you don't have this part. So your liver is still producing bile, it just doesn't have a place to stay. So I'm gonna give you the exact steps to follow, because if you go keto without these steps, you're not gonna feel good. You're gonna have liver pain, you're gonna have bloating, you're gonna get the keto flu. So we're gonna be preventative here, and I'm gonna show you the exact way to do it. So when you go and you transition from being a sugar burner to a fat burner, what does that mean? That means you have depleted your sugar reserves in your liver. Once you do that, you're gonna tap into your fat stores. Now here's a cool little hack. You don't necessarily need to be eating a whole bunch of healthy fats to go keto. You could go keto just by doing some fasting. When you're burning your body fat, hey, guess what? Your liver is producing ketones. It's gonna fuel your brain. Your brain actually prefers ketones. It's the preferred fuel source for the human body. Burning fat is our birthright. When you were a baby, as a child, getting breast milk from your mother, that breast milk has a lot of saturated fat and cholesterol, and that's powering your brain, which is 60% fat. What happens is bile is used to break down that fat. So here's a cool little hack. Here's step number one for you. Spread your fats out throughout the day. Instead of having all of your fats in one sitting, spread them out between 2 to 3 meals, and that way you're gonna give your liver a little break and let your fats become digested optimally. Which brings me to my next point. Stop the snacking. For the love of the universe, snacking is not healthy. It's not going to rev up your metabolism. There's no science behind that. What happens is in today's modern society, we are overworking our poor digestive system. We're overworking our liver. And if you don't have a gallbladder, you need to take care of your liver. The liver is the soccer mom of all organs. So when you get rid of the snacking, you do some intermittent fasting, you're gonna let your liver repair itself. Fasting is nature's reset button. The next step is to use a supplement that has ox bile in it. That's a very important nutrient that's gonna help you break down that fat. Some other things I have my clients do who do not have a gallbladder, I have them eat a lot of bitter-rich foods. Arugula, dark chocolate, organic coffee, ginger, and my favorite, radicchio. These bitter-rich foods are gonna help your liver stimulate healthy bile, which is gonna help you break down that fat. The next rule to follow if you don't have a gallbladder is to make sure you have a detox protocol in place. Because you know what happens is when you start burning fat on the keto diet, which it will help you do that, your fat cells, they store toxins because toxins love fat. And when you start burning those fat cells, those toxins get dumped into the bloodstream. And if you don't have a detox protocol in place, those toxins will get reabsorbed, and what happens? The keto flu, brain fog, and you don't feel good. So it's important to work with a health practitioner to teach you the exact steps to detox your body. Eating these bitter-rich foods, taking the digestive supplement, these are all gonna help you remove toxins from your body, because guess what? The amount of healthy bile you have in your body is proportional to the amount of toxins you could remove from your body. So it's important to detox the cell if you want to get well. The last tip I'm going to leave you with is that bile helps your thyroid make the conversion from T4, the inactive form of thyroid, to T3. What does that mean? That means if you have a healthy thyroid, you're going to have more energy, you're going to have more fat burning, and you're going to feel good. If you want to learn the exact steps to take before you go into ketosis, what to do when you're in ketosis, and why I teach having the flexibility to go in and out of ketosis, get my free ebook. It's called the Keto Kickstart Guide. You can get it for free at ketokickstartguide.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and have a healthy day.